Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave any league that you have joined on ESPN Fantasy Sports. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the ESPN Fantasy Sports game on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which you will see the Create New League, as well as the Join a League option. If you have not already joined a league, you can tap on the Join option and then choose your public league preferences in terms of your experience level, the scoring type as well as draft type. Then finally tap on the Join a League option and this will join you up with a public league right away. Once you have joined the league, you will be able to view the draft slots and when your time will appear. You can just wait for the countdown, and if you wish to leave the league at any time, you will see the Leave League option. You can go ahead and click on this button, and now you will immediately leave the league right away. You can change your mind right then and there by once again clicking on the Join button, and your changes will be reset right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to leave any fantasy league on the ESPN Fantasy Sports application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.